Welcome back. In this section, we are going to discuss about reading Kafka topic. Kafka console consumer.sh. Use the Kafka console consumer tool to consume records from a topic. It requires Bootstrap server parameters that contains comma separated list of hostname entries. Specify the server and port to connect to. So the parameters are Bootstrap server, string that is server to connect to, required the server names and the port number. From beginning, if the consumer does not already have an established offset to consume from, start with the earliest message present in the log rather than the last message. So hyphen from beginning is the parameter. There are many parameters. For more details, you can visit the Apache Kafka official website. I am only discussing few parameters because we will discuss all this in detail in the later section. For example, bin/Kafka console consumer.sh topic CSV file events from beginning Bootstrap server localhost 9092. So this is an example. Now let's move to the practical demonstration of it. So let's get started. So in this section we are going to consume the records which are sent to the athletes event CSV file events Kafka topic. So here what I will do is I will write bin Kafka console consume.sh topic CSV file events from beginning Bootstrap server and the location. So here you can see we have started receiving the records. So here you can see we have consumed this n number of records. So this is our file. This is the file which we have sent. The records have been consumed. Press Ctrl C to end the consumption. So this is how we consume the records in Kafka using the CLI command level interface. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.